ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? የዘጠነኛ ክፍል የኢኮኖሚክስ ትምህርት ዩኒት ዋን ላይ ያሉ የሪቪው ኩዌስችን አብረን እንሰራለን። ከዛ በፊት ለዩቲዩብ ቻናሉ አዲስ የሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር፣ ላይክ እንድታደርጉ በዚህ አጋጣሚ ጠይቃችኋለሁኝ። የመጀመሪያው ፓርት ትሩ ኦር ፎልስ ነው። ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ deals with the determination of price in individual market ነው የሚለው። የዚህ ትክክለኛው መልስ ትሩ ነው። ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ ፎከስ ኦን ኢንዲቪጁዋል ማርኬት ኤንድ ፕራይስ ዲተርሚኔሽን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛው ጥያቄ ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ deals with the behavior and decision of individual economic unit ነው የሚል። say true or false። ትክክለኛው መልስ ፎልስ ነው። ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ deals with the economy as a whole not individual units ማክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ ማለት ነው። ሶስተኛው ጥያቄ ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ is also known as the theory of income and employment የሚል ነው። ለዚህ ትክክለኛው መልስ ፎልስ ነው። ማክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ is known for studying income and employment ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኤክስፕሌን ሲደረግ። አራተኛው ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ ስተዲስ ዘ ዲሲሽን ኦፍ ኢንዲቪጁዋል ፒፕል ኤንድ ፊርምስ ዋይል ማክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ ስተዲስ ዘ ኢንታየር ናሽናል ኢኮኖሚ ይላል። ለዚህ ትክክለኛው መልስ ትሩ ወይስ ፎልስ? ትክክለኛው መልስ ትሩ ነው። this correctly distinguish the two branches means microeconomic studies the decision of individual people and firm while macroeconomic studies the entire national economy or at an aggregate level or at the whole። አምስተኛ ጥያቄ the deductive method entails reasoning from certain principles to the analysis of facts። ትክክለኛው መልስ ትሩ ነው። ዲዳክቲቭ ሪዝኒንግ moves from general principle to specific cases means reasoning from certain principle to the analysis of facts means that to specific cases። ስድስተኛ ኖርማቲቭ ኢኮኖሚክስ offers recommendations based on value judgment say true or false? The correct answer is true. Normative economics involves opinions and value-based suggestions means that ought to, should to, would to የሚል ከሆነ የኖርማቲቭ ኢኮኖሚክስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሰባተኛው household can be one person or more people who live under one roof but make separate financial decisions. False. Household typically makes joint or collective economic decisions. ስምንተኛ business takes the initiative to combine resources in order to produce goods and service. True or false? The correct answer for this question is true. This describes the role of firms in an economy though. Part 2 multiple choice question is here. Number 1 question. Microeconomics concerns itself with all of the following topics except A. Economic activities of individual firms, households and other organizations. B. Forces of supply and demand in particular market. C. Consumer behavior and firms output decision. D. The behavior and operation of the economy as a whole. The correct answer for this question is D. The behavior and operation of the economy as a whole is the main characteristics of the macroeconomic concept. Macroeconomics studies the whole economy. Microeconomics focuses on individual units and specific markets. Question 2. Which of the following is normative statement? A. Falling prices are good for consumers. B. Falling price encourage consumer spending. C. The falling price of housing affects real income. D. Rising price encourage production. The correct answer for this is falling prices are good for consumers. Statement includes value judgment, goods for consumers, making it normative. Question 3. Which one of the following would be best describe a positive statement about economics? A. Free markets are inherently unfair institutions. B. Countries normally experience higher unemployment during recession. C. Business profits should be distributed through tax to benefit from more society. D. Increased tax is positive or wrong. The correct answer for this question is B. Countries normally experience higher unemployment during recession. Statement B describes a factual, observable economic pattern without value judgment. 4. Which one of the following is a normative statement? A. Not all resources experience price rise. B. Poverty is something society should reduce. C. An increase in house price is likely to cause a reduction in demand. And D. Some of the Earth's scarce resources are non-renewable. The correct answer for this question is poverty is something society should reduce. Statement B suggests a course of action based on value. Which one of the following is the basic decision-making unit of an economy? Household, government, business sphere, all of the above. The correct answer for this question is all of the above. Household, government, and business firms are the three main decision-making units. ስድስተኛ household spends an enormous portion of their income in purchasing goods and services from the producers, government, other consumers, none of the above. The correct answer for this question is producer. Household buy goods and services from producers or business firms. Number 7. Which one of the following statement would best describe for firms? A. They are the main buyers of factor of production. B. They are the leading producers of commodity. C. They consist of both private and government enterprise. D. All of the above. The correct answer for this question is all of the above. All statements accurately describe business firms. Number 8. Government. General government gets its income mainly from tax levied on household and business firms in the form of direct and indirect tax. B. Goods and services it provides to the producers. C. Factor services it provides to households. D. None of the above. The correct answer for this question is households and business firms in the form of direct and indirect taxes. Government revenue primarily comes from tax on households and firms. Part 3 short answer questions. Number 1. Define economics from the perspectives of wealth, welfare, and scarcity. Which definition better suits economics? Why? Wealth perspective. Economics is the accumulation of valuable resource through production. Welfare perspective. Economics studies efficient resource allocation and income distribution for social welfare. Scarcity perspective. Economics studies how people use scarce resources to satisfy unlimited wants. The scarcity definition suits economics space because it addresses the core economic problems, unlimited wants versus limited resource. Question 2. Study and knowledge of economics are extremely useful and important. Explain. Household know helps understand economic problem and societal issue. Explain behavior of individual firms and government. Provides tools for efficient resource management and policy making. Number 3, why do we study economics? The correct answer for this to learn how to allocate scarce resource efficiently to maximize satisfaction of unlimited human want. Number 4, explain the distinction between micro and macroeconomics. Microeconomic studies individual needs, household, firms, and specific market price determination, supply and demand. Macro studies the whole economy, nation income, unemployment, inflation, GDP at an aggregate level. Number 5, what do you understand by positive economics and normative economics? The correct answer for this question is positive economics describes facts and what is without saving value judgment. The unemployment rate is 5%. Normative economics involves opinion and what ought to be based on value. Means the government should reduce unemployment. Should indicates the normative indicator. Number 6, explain why economics deals with the allocation and efficient utilization of scarce resource. Because human wants are unlimited, but resources are limited, economic focus how to best use the scarce resource to satisfy as many wants as possible. Number 7, is fair a free resource justify you? Answer in the context of air pollution. The correct answer for this question is air is generally free resource because it is not paid for directly. However, pollution makes it scarce in quality, leading to health costs, showing that even free resource can have economic implication. Number 8, explain the main features of the various decision-making units of an economy. Means household, own factor of production, sale factor service, consume goods and services, save pay taxes. Firm higher factor of production, produce and sell goods and service, aim for profit. Government collects taxes, provides public service, regulate the economy. Thank you for joining. ተማሪዎች እንግዲህ የአክቲቪቲ ሪቪው ኤክሰርሳይዝ ፎር ዩኒት 1 ይሄን ነው የሚመስለው። ስላዳመጣችሁኝ አመሰግናለሁ።